guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's MAYnia video, I thought I would take you inside of my work planner. So inside I have a captured section, and this has a sticky note dashboard, and then I made this getting things done planner flowchart list just so I can look at it periodically and keep my tasks and project planning going as smoothly as possible, because I really have found that I really like the getting things done method. So I am actually going to make a second one with one of these mini papers, and I'm going to place this one inside a different planner. So I have some sticker books here. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how I made this getting things done flowchart. So I'm starting with the Boss Babe sticker book, and I'm going to grab one of these computer stickers, but I want a long label sticker to go over the top, just so I can create a title for the list. And then I'm going to grab this sticker here and just overlap the computer sticker, and then I'm going to write inside of this sticker, getting things done. So now that I have the title done for this page, I'm going to go ahead and start working on the flowchart. So on top of the other list that I made, I had a huge envelope sticker, which I don't think I have anymore. So I'm going to use this small envelope sticker from the tiny sticker book. And I'm going to use this special delivery just because I got a good laugh when I saw that. And I thought it was pretty funny to think of every task that comes to you as like a little special delivery. So I'm going to label that at the top, and then inside colorful boxes, I'm going to grab one of these small boxes, and I'm going to use the green one. And inside, I'm going to write actionable with a question mark. So this will be the top of the list where it splits off to whether the task is actionable or not. So I'm going to grab the thumbs up stickers in this productivity sticker book, and for the yes, I'm going to do thumbs up, and for no, I'm going to do thumbs down. So now I'm going to work on the side where the task is not actionable. And just to make this list a little bit different from the first one that I did, instead of printing the writing, I'm going to go ahead and just letter it. So on this side, the first one that I have here is delete it if it's not actionable and you don't need it at all. So now I'm looking for a sticker to mark off the one where it is you write it down on a someday maybe list. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this check mark sticker, and then I think I want to layer a to-do sticker over it. So I'm going to place the check mark down first and then do the to-do sticker. And then I'm just going to letter underneath that the second option is to write it on a someday maybe list. And then the last option in this category is to file it away for reference. So I'm going to grab this little noted clipboard and go ahead and write down file for reference next to it. And now I'm just going to complete the lines for each of the items on this side of the actionable list. So now it's time to work on if the task is actionable. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a box sticker, because inside this I am going to write down the phrase of what is the next action if it is yes to actionable. And it is taking me forever to get this sticker straight. Like, there are dots on the page and I still can't seem to line it up correctly. So I'm going to write next in bubble letters, and then I'm going to go ahead and write the rest of the words above and below that. So the first action that I am going to write down is to either schedule it as a task or a meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this planner sticker that says plan on it. And then I'm going to write schedule, task, or meeting underneath it. And I love having little reference sheets like this in my planner. It just keeps your mind on track for certain things, and every time you flip through and see it, it's just a little bit more that you remember the process. It's kind of like the more you see it, the more you'll actually do it, right? So the other action that I'm going to write down here is if it takes 2 minutes or less to just do it now. So I have a clock sticker, and then I'm just going to bubble letter now so that it stands out a little bit more than just the lettering. So this side of the what is the next action is going to be if it is a project. So I have like a little mini checklist that I just filled in based on my own preferences for if something is a project. So in this first box sticker, I'm going to write down the question, is it a project? And then in this box is my list of just things that I personally do. So the first thing is I brainstorm a project plan. And then I schedule tasks, meetings, anything like that. And then there's usually some delegated tasks. So I have a list going of who is doing what. And then, of course, you have to review the progress every so often. And then the last item on my projects checklist is to review any next actions that may still be needed for the project. So the last area of the what is the next action is if you have delegated the task. So I'm going to go ahead and inside this arrow sticker, write delegate it. And then I'm looking for just a sticker that has a note or a reminder. So I'm going to grab this green note one and just make a note that whatever it is that you've delegated needs to go on a follow-up list, just so you don't forget it even though you're not doing it. And as I am editing this, I've noticed I didn't draw the line from the thumbs up to the what is the next action box. So these are the two side by side, the one that's in my work planner and then the one that is going to go in a different planner. So be sure to hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy these little planner extra note sheets that I use in my planner. And be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos. And I will talk to you guys all in my next one. Bye guys!